this one.
Give
Watch.
it to me. Oh, what else?
Give me this one. Watch.
The watch.
The watch? Oh, I can't, brother.
Give
Wow,
me.
I wanted to take a picture of every single person in this country that I saw.
Is a small mountainous kingdom completely surrounded by South Africa. We may know what we're talking about, but the US President Donald Trump clearly does not know anything about Lesotho.
$8 million to promote LGBTQI+ in the African nation of Lesotho, which nobody has ever heard of.
Lesotho, the country that nobody's ever heard of, right? That's a good laugh because, of course, I've heard of the place. You guys have heard of the place. A lot of people have heard of it, but his point was taken, right? It is a pretty obscure country, but I love obscure countries. The smaller and the more obscure, the better. So when we were planning the trip to South Africa this year, I knew I wanted to also go to Lesotho and Swaziland. But what I did not know at the time was that Trump was also later about to hit Lesotho with the highest tariffs of any country in the world. Very random, right? 50% tariff threat on Lesotho. And those tariffs have not come into effect yet as I record this. However, just the threat of those tariffs has wreaked havoc on the economy in poor, tiny little Lesotho. As you can see from these headlines I'm going to put on the screen here. But poor Lesotho, people are losing their jobs there. People are not getting also their HIV treatments and other other benefits, other aid that we used to provide them. A lot of that aid has been suspended. So I wondered what sort of reaction we were going to get in Lesotho as Americans. And would people hate us? Would people be demanding explanations? What would people say? And how would we be treated? Well, you will find out here in this vlog and in the next couple upcoming, because we're going to have 2-3 vlogs coming up from the kingdom in the sky. So stay tuned, folks. Getting in line to get stamped out of South Africa and to enter Lesotho. Just had a police officer direct us, South African border officer direct us where to go. Couldn't have been nicer. I asked if he'd like to be in the video. He said they're not allowed to, but he was very nice. And so let's see how it goes. Let's see how easy or hard it is to get into it. So we are entering Lesotho right now. Look at that. We're getting stamped into the country, officially welcomed. This is terrific. I've been wanting to visit this country for a long time. The Switzerland of Africa, right? Isn't that what they call it? The Switzerland of Africa, right?
Yes.
It's the only country in the world that doesn't have any place below 1,000 meters altitude, right? Something like that. All right.
And you're going to enjoy the place.
You think? It's nice, right? It looks really nice. How do we say thank you in Basotho language? Say again? Kaliboha? Kalibuha. All right. Kalibuha. Signing us in with the customs book. So this is the book. This is the tourism book. Ah, okay, cool. And so here you record what country people are from and things like that? And where they're going, stuff like this.
Yeah. How did you know about
Lesotho? I've been wanting to come here for years. No, I've never been here before. I've read about it. Yes. All right, so now we're being ushered in across. This is great. How are we going to go back and get our car now? So now where are we going?
tourism office?
Oh, tourism, okay. All right. So how's tourism in Lesotho? Are lots of people coming?
Lots and lots.
That's great.
And we're expecting much than that.
From which country do most people come from?
Germany, I would say the highest one.
Germany's number one?
Then USA.
USA is number two?
Then
All right.
Netherlands, Germany.
Interesting.
Before us in the book, maybe 2 spots that were
So
USA for 13 days.
Wow. Nice.
So this is the tourism office, whereby we pay the tourism levy.
Okay.
That is 100 rand per person, except for those ones below the age of 13.
100 Rand per person. Can we use credit cards?
Cash, sure.
Okay, perfect.
Acceptable.
Is the Maluti and the South African Rand are 1-to-1, they're the same value. But we can also use the rand here in this country too. Yeah, yeah. Driver's license? You got it. Get the driver's license, Jen.
Where do you come from?
United States, Florida.
Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm in Lesotho, yeah.
Oh, nice. You're just coming in?
I'm coming.
Want to do a selfie? Do you work here or you're just traveling?
Yes, I'm working here.
Oh, you work here? Okay.
As agricultural products.
Oh, agriculture. Okay, cool. Well, I've been wanting to come to your country for a long time. I'm excited. Should I shut this?
Yeah.
Shut it. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Yes, this one.
Can we get a selfie?
No, selfie. No,
Can we get one?
No, it's okay.
No selfie?
No, it's okay.
Okay. So good. Everyone was really, really friendly. What did the guest book say, Jen? It asked you why are you coming or comments or what did it say?
Yeah. Put where you're going, number of days, how you heard about Lesotho,
Right.
and comments. about
Comments.
their
Customer
operation.
service. And what did you say?
Friendly and helpful.
Yeah, they were friendly and helpful. Very easy procedure getting into Lesotho. We had this letter from the rental car company that we thought we needed. It was a big hassle getting this letter, and they didn't even ask for the letter. And it was basically a $5 fee to bring the car in, and $5 per person, like tourism tax. They accepted credit cards, nice and easy. We are in. Welcome to arrived in Lesotho, and our phones are not working very well. So we're completely lost.
Oh.
No, it's okay though. We'll get there.
Let's start the.
We'll get there. We'll get there. All right. What message do you have for the world? What's the best thing about Lesotho?
Balance City.
What's the best thing about Lesotho?
Lesotho.
Yeah. Do you love Lesotho?
Yes, yes, yes.
You do? What's good about it?
You saw mountains.
The mountains?
Yes, yes, yes. There is a mountain.
Yeah. What are you guys doing? What are you up to today? Just having fun?
Give me this one.
Give it
Watch.
to you. Oh,
Voila. Give me this one. Watch.
The watch.
the watch. Oh, I can't, brother.
Give me.
There's a little donkey crossing here. Hello. 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 Maliba Lodge is coming up this way? Maliba Lodge? Okay, thank you. We've made it finally to Maliba Lodge. Wow, we made it. No Google Maps, man, the old-fashioned way. You have a what?
A bomber where you can do fire, maybe stargaze overnight.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Nice. I bet it's a good place to watch the stars, huh?
very.
Where do you live?
We live here. We have a small village just up the mountain there. So we are in here 22 days and then 8 days we are off.
Oh, wow.
So home for me is in Maseru, the capital.
The capital. That's like 3 hours away, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And so the other room should be this one. Here we're still trying to construct a new spa.
Oh, wow. So how many Rondavels do you have here?
We have about 9 of them.
9 Rondavels. And then how many other rooms?
Other rooms, we have 7 economy rooms.
7?
And then 4 river lodges, which are self-catering.
Okay.
And lastly would be the 3 huts.
How long has this place been here?
Since 2005.
2005. So whose room is this?
I think it will be the guys' if they.
The boys?
Yeah, but you'll decide.
Okay.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the room. It's usually like a family unit.
Okay.
We. Yeah.
Nice.
So we're gonna have 2 separate?
Yeah, 2 separate.
Yeah. So in here we have your shower. This is the only one with a shower, really.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, this one only has a shower. The others have bathtubs. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Nice. Very nice.
So we have panel heaters by the walls, electric blankets for warmth, and then the fireplace. Somebody will come and do the fire while you're having dinner.
1 kilometer, right.
So we could park over here too. So
Okay.
you are in chalet number 3. Battery.
All right.
Okay, so we have a laundry bag. It's still there in the other room.
Oh, okay.
Laundry bag.
There's a
and
laundry
then-
service here?
Yeah, it comes complimentary with the room.
Oh, great.
And then in cases of rain and everything, we have umbrellas down here. But
Oh wow, this is beautiful.
Fireplace and all the
Okay.
information about us is in the folder here. And same with the mini bathroom over there. And then in here we have your bathroom with a bathtub and a shower with the view.
Wow. Nice. There is a shower here, Jen. All right. Beautiful.
Oh, the deck.
Oh, this is nice, huh, Jen?
Yeah. Very nice.
Wow, what a view, huh? Wow, what a view. Very unique.
I thought so. Yeah, what should be fine on the other side. Oh, yeah. Go ahead and start making fire.
Yes, that would be great. That'd be great. Nice fire started here. Wonderful.
All right, first impressions, Lesotho. Man, very interesting. Such an interesting country. I'm a real aficionado of small countries, and this one doesn't get any more small or obscure than this one. But crossing the border was super easy, man. We didn't even need the letter from the rental car place. They didn't even ask for that. Crossing the border couldn't have been friendly any easier. But then immediately as you cross the border from South Africa, it's like, okay, we're in a different place. Like this is a small country. It's inside of South Africa, essentially. So you think, well, it's not going to be too different. It is. It feels so different immediately. First of all, your phone doesn't work. At least our phones did not work immediately. So we had to like get the directions the old fashioned way, just figuring out how to get here, asking people, looking for signs, that kind of stuff. Like it was like, felt like it was going back to the 1980s or 1990s with that regard. Also, the streets are just jammed with people. You know, it was the time of day where kids were getting out of school. So the streets were so full of people and kids in their nice school uniforms. I want to take pictures of everybody. Shepherds everywhere, cattle in the streets, sheep, farm animals. I mean, like, and there's potholes, but there's also speed bumps. I mean, there's speed bumps everywhere. And they're totally camouflaged too. Like they're not painted or anything like that. And it was tough because my eyes were darting around. I was like, wow, I wanted to take a picture of every single person in this country that I saw. And I wanted to look around and take everything in, but I had to like really study the road for the speed bumps too, because they're all over the place and they're camouflaged. It was super interesting. The one group of kids that I pulled over to talk to one little group of kids. It was really funny. It seemed like they didn't speak English, right? It's like they weren't registering the questions I was asking. And then all of a sudden, one of them says, "Give me your watch." No, I don't think I'm going to give you my watch, but super interesting. All the shepherds around, people tending to their livestock. I mean, the traditional houses. It was just like, wow. I wanted to just take it all in. Super interesting. You cross this border and it's like you're in a different planet. So really looking forward to the next couple of days, exploring a little more of this interesting little country.